Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Finally, I haven't been posting as frequently because I have not been doing good trading. And I know that is not the right approach to take, and I will fix that. But yeah, I don't know what happened or what. I was in such a good headspace for the past like month that I've been posting on here, and I don't know what it is, but like all my bad habits just took over one day, and the subsequent days I just crashed out. I blew three funded accounts, uh, which two of them were payout ready. So $2,400 I had in my hands pretty much before I blew it completely. Lost the accounts, they're gone. So I'm on three new eval accounts now. So, getting that going again. I'm not giving up, you know. I'm taking some comfort in the fact that, it took so long for like my bad habits to emerge when they were emerging like every day when I first started trading futures especially. And yeah, like for a whole month I was just so disciplined, so good, and all it took was one day, and it was like, I just destroyed all that work. um but yeah, so all that is gone. It was I don't even know what it was. You know, I lost $400 this Monday, and you know, I was actually up 400. No, 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 no. Yeah, I lost $400 on Monday, and on Tuesday I did make that $400 back, but I just wanted 200 more so I can, keep building that buffer. And yeah, I just started losing, and then, I lost 400 again, and then I lost, another 100, another 200, another 100, and it just kept going down and down and down until I hit my daily loss limit. And then I came back the next day. I was up, $147, and I was like, let me get another 50. So I was trading some micros, and I was just trying to scalp the 21 EMA, and it just didn't work out. My entries were bad because it was rushed. So yeah, and just kept going and lost. So and on the third day, um, I lost the remaining of everything I had, which was yesterday. So today's the fourth day of the week, and yeah, I'm on fresh evals now. So with that 2,400, I could have paid off like pretty much all my debt. I would have only had like $200 left, and now I have to start the journey all over again, pretty much. But yeah, this time, I found this guy. You might have seen me watching his video on like one of my videos. His name's like My Future Success, and he has this like scalping tool, and the win rate is kind of crazy on it. So I tried it out today. I bought it. It was $100, and I used it this morning, and yeah, I made like a quick $200 very easily. So I think I'm just gonna be doing that for a little bit and see how his thing works. But yeah, it's just like a momentum indicator sort of thing. Price action's going up. It's above like whatever EMA. I don't know what he uses, but you do it, and yeah, I took one signal and it was pretty good. It gives you like a buy signal, and the stop loss is super easy to place. So yeah, I took this signal right here, this buy signal, and then in 5 minutes it works out. So yeah, I took this signal, and then I wrote it up to 10 points, $200, on three accounts, $600. So yeah, there's other signals, but when the signal is like this, you tend to avoid it when there's so much selling happening in one candle, you avoid that signal, and then you get another one here, because this is the profit wave, he calls it. And you want to have your stops right above this. So here, my stop loss for here would have been like 644-ish. So a 15 point stop is not too bad. Like a close below it when you're in long, and a close above it when you're in short. And if there's this much selling happening in one candle, like, you don't want to chase that. You know what I mean? So you avoid that. But see, there's another signal here. In the next 2 minutes, it works out. 593, 603. Goes up to like 6010-ish. So you could start trailing your stops, or you can do it with, like 5 micros, or 10 micros, and you can. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna start doing. 10 micros, and then take 5 off, break even, and let it run, sort of deal. There's multiple ways you can test it, and then there's a short signal here. You take it. Your stop's gonna be like 21 points. No, a little higher. 517. So yeah, the stops are kind of relentless sometimes. So you want to see what the overall trend is. But here, the trend looks pretty strong to the downside, So, it's just a momentum thing, 517, you're looking for 507, So, but look at where it went. 443. So you can either hold it for 200 points, or once you reach it, you can just start, trailing it pretty tightly. And, it'll work out. So let's look at the time here. This was alerted at 9:16. So 9:16. So there was this one right here. And at the close of this, right? So you can just have your stop loss like right above, So 14-point stop never goes down, strong downtrend below the VWAP, below 21 EMA, getting a signal here. Okay, you're in drawdown of 2 points before it starts going down. You look for support. I mean, if you were doing something like liquidity sweeps, you can even, aim for this low right here, So, like that's 50 points, 50-ish points right there. So, there's multiple ways to use it. I'm going to upgrade my trading view so I can have 3 charts at once. So I'm going to have these 2 charts going at the bottom, and, an actual chart up top, so I can see, like, where the 21 is, where the VWAP is, and all that, And this one is to confirm the trend on a higher time frame. So here we get, these candles are green, but it's really red starting here. So you can even sell here, because we've started going in a downtrend on a higher time frame. So you get the same alert here, and then you can take it 10 points in 2 minutes. Your target's hit plus some, 40, 85. And here in 5 minutes, in 5 minutes, it's at 55. So 30 points. These white dots are the actual price. So I have a thing here, but I just forgot to turn it on. So, I've been seeing his videos a lot. It got recommended to me. And, so I've been, watching him, and his win rate's kind of crazy. The win rate for this is crazy. So, you just need to be smart about what alerts you take, and, you're set. And I got this alert right when I was leaving to go get my haircut. Look at this. 502, right? Or 512. And then, it shoots up to 522 instantly next 2 minutes. And then it keeps going. You can ride this profit wave. That's another strategy. You buy the first candle it prints, which is here. And then your stop loss is 490-ish, So it's a 20-point stop. And then, you can just trail it, So let's see, where's 512 at 1024? So 1024, see, this is around here. This is literally, if you go to here, it's a bounce off of the 21 EMA play, you know. So if you don't want to take the bounce here, you just take it on the confirmation here, you know, close of here. So, and then you play it, you know what I mean? And you can play it to VWAP pretty much. So, and you can add, or you can, you know, do whatever. You can trim some, you can add every time it makes a red candle, and move your stop loss to, like, you know, 501. You know, now that's pretty much like a 0 risk play, or a 200 risk play instead of 400. You know what I mean? So there's like multiple ways to use it, and you can take it to VWAP, or, you know, sell near there, you know? So yeah, selling near there, like within 5 points, you can do so much. So that's my plan. You know, I'm just going to be scalping. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think I need to build my confidence back up again. I have been scalping more time, but, you know, I need to, you know, smooth out some edges and follow some rules. Obviously, I didn't follow my own rules. If it was a $400 loss, I'm done. And I just got so triggered. I don't know what it was. Like something just flipped, and you know, and I just like went into a little cycle, and I was like, oh, I already lost, I can't take this payout. So I just got completely reckless and just destroyed like everything I built, you know, past 3 weeks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully it goes better this time around. I am confident. I need to know what to work on. I've always known, but, you know, it's just eye-opening here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and one more thing. Videos are going to be slower because I'm going back home for vacation, my parents' house, and recording and stuff there is like not the most ideal setup. I'm just gonna have my laptop, but I'll try my best to upload. But if you don't see uploads from me, that's the reason why I'm not home. But I'll still post, like, you know, my profit loss or a little synopsis of what happened in my like community post or whatever, community tab. So yeah, watch out for that. Just letting you guys know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I have a lot of subscribers now. It's kind of crazy, 40 subs. That's insane. Yeah, trading isn't easy. You know, 95% fail or whatever. And I just don't want to be that statistic, you know, so I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to get a job soon. And, you know, I think once I get a job, I'm trading only for a little bit, and then I'm focusing on something else. It's going to help me be a little bit more disciplined. So I think I need that. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry, so long. I've said thank you guys for watching like 4 times. But yeah, see you guys in the next video, all right? Bye.